Observe as time, like beauty, eventually burns. Here we see the creature's world seemingly falling apart before us. Yet this melling is merely the ritual of a grander metamorphosis. Each passing second serves a precise brushstroke on an unseen canvas. The specimen is not losing time, but evolving into something more colourful. Time, like beauty, burns.
Falling apart. Welcome. Tonight, we unveil the future of couture. Good morning. Good night, darling. Why is it all falling apart? He has no idea, does he? Oh, this is gonna be good.
Hallo, ich freue mich sehr, Sie kennenzulernen. Auf Wiedersehen. Wir sehen uns bald wieder.